This is the potato. This is the 3-year resurrection of the potato cannon on Cinco de Mayo, 2017. We have Pat O'Connor here to witness it. We have John Rose here to witness it. We have Phil Cromines, the architect of the potato cannon. We have Chuck Gom here to witness it. We have Ashley Cromines, maybe something new last name. We have Pam Cromines. We have BC and Lori Jean. And this potato is going to do it. We hope and pray. God bless us on Cinco de Mayo.
The potato needs to look.
God bless us all.
There's a potato's eye. He's looking at you.
And you know what?
There he
That's
goes.
Lex's Kindle. Because Barbie
There he goes.
kept the
There he goes. He's putting the potato in the cannon.
cavity. So
Hard to see in this dark light.
Took the head off of Kindle.
Wow, you gotta go sideways like that?
Hit it with this wrench or
Notice he
something.
does not have a piece.
It's in!
Needs to have
The
it
potato's in!
It needs to be a solid cut all the way.
Alright,
around.
now
There he goes.
here comes the cannon. You got it going on. Ashley's got it going on.
One time we did it and Phil forgot to take it
Alright,
off
now the potato was the potato was up here,
And John, you'll like this.
but now it's down
Aim
here.
it right, baby.
Look at this.
Aim it right.
Uh-oh.
Phil, no,
Check this
no,
You
out.
can raise and lower the height of the barrel.
Aim it right, baby boy.
I'm going to aim it a little higher.
Aim it right at O'Connor's car.
Yeah.
Elevation.
Okay.
I bet you'll hit my car.
Oh, thank you
Oh
for the
no,
light.
it's gonna hit the.
Alright, now he's going through
Sometimes it's gone all the way down
the
to
gunship hole on
Does your light not work? It looks like.
Is it gonna be loud? Is it gonna be loud?
the USS Commodore.
You never say that.
Hang on, Phil.
There's somebody walking by.
Wait, there's somebody coming
Yeah.
by.
Don't
Oh,
shoot that.
oh,
With their
oh.
dog.
Anybody, is it
Phil,
clear?
wait.
No,
Is somebody
somebody's
walking?
Yeah, they have a dog.
I don't
Oh,
think you
shit.
can hit him.
Hi!
Shit, no.
Happy Cinco de
Too
Mayo!
close.
Okay.
That's my neighbor. Hey, Mark, we're about to shoot a potato cannon off. If it works, it's going to be a little loud.
Don't freak out.
It's only going to be one shot.
Okay.
Well,
Well, don't shoot it right now.
well, I'll wait till y'all get out of the way.
Poor dog.
Is Jack pooping?
Now, is Phil a true humanitarian
Jack
or
would
what?
never poop again after this.
Hey, neighbor.
Jack, hurry and
Dallas,
poop.
Texas. Oh,
Dude.
thank you. Man, that light is really helpful.
Look,
Well, I'll just turn it
hurry.
on.
Jack's going, man, I ain't get pooping at all this shit going on up in here.
Sure.
What is that move?
Oh,
It's
man.
not as bright, but you ought to be able to see.
Yeah. It really makes it. I mean, you see what I'm
Yeah, you
looking
can
at.
actually see
Yeah.
what's going on.
Now, this is the
Looking
the
spark.
mothership of the Star Wars.
Because this could be
All right, am I clear?
crazy shit that Phil's done.
Yeah,
Yeah, you're clear.
but
No,
you're aimed way low.
Yeah.
Oh, man, I'm just getting this in there.
No. Especially if it blows the windshield off.
I see a car it could hit, but hey.
No, it's not.
Ladies and gentlemen, after 3 years in the garage, we are
Yeah, but
resurrecting
Chromie's knows.
Threads
what
are
the hell's
gummed
going
up.
on.
the potato cannon.
I can't.
If we get the threads in here.
Oh.
Oh, Crummy! John Rose's rent car!
Bullshit,
Give me
man.
some love!
That's what I just landed over there on Abrams.
Can we get it in there?